iPhone 10 no service, Wi-Fi and speaker issue repair full explanation. Problem diagnosis. The iPhone 10 has no service, Wi-Fi or speaker function due to RF board damage. The device was likely dropped, causing a failure in the baseband CPU, EEPROM and RF board. The solution is RF board swapping, where we transfer critical components to a new board. Repair process step by step. Removing the baseband CPU from the old RF board. The baseband CPU is responsible for network communication in the iPhone. Since the RF board is damaged, we carefully remove the baseband CPU from the old board. The CPU is then cleaned to remove excess solder and any debris. Reballing is done by applying fresh solder balls to prepare it for reinstallation. 2. EEPROM IC removal and transfer. The EEPROM IC stores network data, IMEI and calibration settings. It must be transferred to the new RF board to ensure the phone retains its original network settings. Carefully remove the EEPROM IC from the damaged board. Fix it onto the new board and check for proper alignment and connection. 3. Baseband CPU reinstallation on the new board. Now that the EEPROM is transferred, the baseband CPU is refixed on the new RF board. This step is critical, as improper alignment can cause network failure or boot issues. Precision micro-soldering is required to ensure a perfect connection. RF board full restoration. After the baseband CPU and EEPROM transfer, the new RF board is fully assembled. The RF board is reattached to the motherboard, ensuring all components are properly connected. 5. JCID programming, unlocking Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi issue is repaired using a JCID programmer, which reprograms the Wi-Fi module. This step is necessary after RF board swapping to ensure the Wi-Fi functions properly. 6. Final testing and verification. Once all components are installed and secured, a full system test is performed. The network, Wi-Fi and speaker functions are checked to confirm the repair was successful. After testing, the handset is fully restored and working perfectly. Final outcome: network restored, no service issue is fully fixed. Wi-Fi working, JCID programming successfully unlocked Wi-Fi. Speaker functioning, audio output is clear. iPhone 10 fully repaired and ready for use. This repair requires expert micro-soldering skills, patience, and precise